A center double decrease is a great decrease when you're shaping something, but you don't necessarily want the decrease to lean right or left. You want the decrease to be simple in the center without any lean. Right here is actually a center double decrease. They're harder to find because they keep those stitches lined up a little bit better. Let me show you how this is done. I'm going to start with a few stitches, just knitting, and then when I get to the point where I would like to place a center double decrease, I place my needle into the next two stitches as if to knit together. But we're not going to knit them, we're simply going to slip them to the right needle. Then we will knit the next stitch and go back, and those two slip stitches, we're going to grab them and pass them over the stitch we just knitted. And that is all there is to it, the center double decrease. You can see the decrease is right there. It pops up a little bit, but it doesn't lean left or right, so it hides quite nicely. I'm going to do that again. When we get to the spot where we want to do a decrease, we will simply place our needle as if to knit two stitches together, but slip them, knit the next stitch, and then pass those two slip stitches over the knit stitch. And that completes the center double decrease. One more time. Place your needle as if to knit two stitches together, but slip them off the left needle, knit one stitch, and then pass those slip stitches over the stitch just knitted. And that completes it. I hope you enjoy using that center double decrease. It's really simple and it doesn't add a lot of leaning to your shaping.